Alright, so yesterday we ran out of wires. Today, the good thing is we managed to get some of them, okay, 10 feet additional from techx.com. Okay, this guy is the champ. I got a special delivery today for this. I ordered yesterday and I got it today. So go and check them out. It's a very good quality. Okay, techx.com, yeah. Go and check it out. So what we're going to do today is sambung balik wire semua ni, and then we just wait for my amp, and then we start wiring our amp today, and see what we can do. Alright, so here we are after 1.5 weeks of waiting for this. Alright, so we are, we can install this amplifier to our speakers. As you know, everything is off the car already, so we don't have to worry about that. And let me take you through my installation step lah, how we do step by step. That's more like a blog lah. So without further ado, we will go and install our fuse, okay, then our wires, okay. So now the big problem is I don't know how to put it in the grommet because it's too thick. We just have to try, I guess. The all-time favorite method, okay. Masuk ni, then we zip tie it as tight as possible. Zip tie. Cut off the excess. Switch sikit. Okay. Some soap. Not much of a system, yeah. Let's see. Tengok dia dah masuk ke atas sini. Alright. So our kita punya tool dah sangkut kat sana kan. Okay, what we do, kita ambil plier ni. Okay, gigit, tarik. Alamak, licin. Okay, alamak, fail lah. Okay, tak apa, walaupun fail tadi kan, dah keluar sikit so, kita pakai tangan, tarik je. Ni kena layan lah bro. Have to slowly. Alah, cipet lah. Sama je, ketat juga. Okay, never mind. But what we can do, okay, since it's inside, kita dah apply soap water sikit kan. Kita tolak pakai tangan je. Nah, tengok smooth dia masuk. Alright, macam tu je. Lagi dia ketat sikit. Longgar, right. Hopefully we have access right now. Okay. Alright. Kita dah ada cukup access. Kita tarik slow-slow. Okay. I still haven't decided where I want to route the wire. Maybe through here all through there. Tapi kalau ikut sini kan, I'm worried that there's another wire here, so it will heat up lah. Okay, so I think most probably I will go through there, masuk sana, and then from there I will tap it from there lah. I will attach to the side over there, then masuk sini lah. So because my amp is going to be on the driver's seat, so yep, let's see what I can do. Alright, so what we have here, something here. Aha! Speaker terminals. I'm gonna hook that up here, and then amp is in place, wiring is in place, but I'm still finding the right position where to place the amp lah. The wiring is in. I just have to do some cable management here, over there, and stuff like that. And yep, let's see how it goes. Okay, guys. Now what we have to do, we have to cut a certain amount of wire, masuk kat fuse, and then connect to the battery, and then the rest goes to this side of the fuse. Okay. So how we will do that is to approximately measure lah dari mana you nak tarik. Okay. So let's say from here to here means I would roughly use about here. Okay, just to masuk fuse dari battery fuse, and then the fuse outside we'll just use yang remaining lah. Okay. So we have our insulation stripped. Okay. Ini agak subjective lah, how you want to crimp, whether you want to use a plier or you want to use a crimping tool, up to you. If you have enough strength to actually lock it down like I have, then it shouldn't be a problem lah. Okay, so it goes. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is strip the wires, and then we put the speaker connection lah. Okay, you strip the wire, always use a wire stripper. Next the installation frame. Okay, don't be lazy, don't be cheap, invest in a good wire cutter. Maybe I'll put a heat shrink later on lah. Okay, what we're gonna do now is wiring termination. So we have this fork type connector. Okay, kita kena pakai ni lah sebab amplifier kita screw in type. So it's a fork type connector lah. So yep, proses kita dah strip wire ni. Okay, I'll just show you lah how to strip lah kan. Show you that in another way lah. This wire ni pendek. Okay. So now I ordered two colors. One is merah, one is hitam. So one will indicate negative, one will indicate positive. So now kita ada leverage kat sini. We have the leverage to identify which wire you want to make it negative and positive. So for this instant, merah ni saya nak buat negatif lah. So warna yang saya pilih untuk merah, negative is warna merah lah. So senang nak identify sikit lah. So kita buat lilit sikit bagi dia round up nicely. Okay, then ni kita panggil heat shrink. Ini penting. I always like to use heat shrink in my builds. But should be sufficient enough. Okay. Terlampau panjang. Okay. Potong pendek sikit. Okay, cut that. Masukkan ke dalam ni. Okay, dah trim dia nicely kan. Okay, what we do, we masukkan dalam ni. Kita tengok panjang ke tidak. Okay, sekarang terlampau panjang kan. Okay, tak apa, kita boleh potong nanti. So, kita ambil heat shrink kita, masukkan heat shrink dulu. Okay, insert your heat shrink first. So now negative wire is red, so kita masukkan ni. Okay, make sure dia ni touching connector dia. Okay, terus masukkan. Okay, ambil plier, gigitkan dia. Okay, dah settle. Okay, and then kita masukkan heat shrink nanti. Kita panaskan. I think kita kena potong sikit lah. Okay, alright, so sekarang kita ambil warna hitam. Same process, masukkan heat shrink. Okay, masukkan heat shrink. Okay, di bawah sini kan. Okay, panaskan. Okay, so done. So that's how it looks like lah. Dah dapat heat shrink, nampak cantik sekali lah. So connection you akan secure lah, dia tak lari mana-mana. So yeah, let's move to all the other speakers.